Today we are going to talk about this espresso machine. This can make double espresso or single shot, and it comes with this. It doesn't come with the milk container, but if you have one you can utilize it, and it has the steaming wand, so this is really nice. Pretty easy setup, doesn't take much space. You can see from the side this is how it looks, and that is the size of it. And it has nice large water container. You can see you can easily take it out and refill it, so really cool. And you can also just refill from the top without just removing the container itself, up to you. So you can easily lift it and move around. And on the top over here it has nice area, and it is heated. You can put your cups, that will preheat the cups, so you have better quality of the taste. So you can place them here. It comes with this temper. It is plastic, and you have the sizing cup, so you can use. So to speed the process, I already had my coffee ready. So you can see this has a double and single shot filter basket, so we are going to use double shot today to show you guys how it works. So uh, over here you have, for the clearance it's a little bit, you can see, a little bit challenging if you are using a larger cups like this. So you can just slightly just twist and just put it underneath, but just demonstration purpose I just wanted to use this clear cup to show you guys how it extract. But normally I use smaller cups. So very easy operation. You, if you want to use a single shot, you would press this. If you want double shot, you would press this. And also works individually for the steam, as well as it can also provide hot water. Once you turn the knob, it will provide hot water as well. So let's go ahead and see. Well, it has built-in timer. It shows you the timer, and you can see. But the thing is, it just start as soon as you hit the time, it just starts the extraction, like it's already started. But there's about like 10-second delay until it just pour the coffee. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. So we're gonna hit the double espresso. You can see it already started, but still nothing here. But you can just extract about like 10 seconds. You can see around 10-second mark, you will see that it will start producing the coffee. And you can see it has nice steam. It just provides steady, and you can see how nicely it just layers out. It has really nice layers. It provides tasty espresso, and depending on your coffee size, grinding size, this would change. So just be aware of that. And you can see just around 40 mark, 40 second it finished, minus around 10-12 seconds, so which is give us 30-second mark. That is pretty decent. And you can see once you take out the coffee, you can see it has nice layer, really nice foam on the top. You can just make really nice delicious espresso latte with this. So let's go ahead and use the milk. So for the milk, in order to start, you would just press, and you will see it will just take a little bit time until it just preheats, and you will see it's going to go around 260 Fahrenheit, and it will display. And once it's ready, it will just stop the flushing. And you can see right now it is ready. In order to operate, we would just come around here, and we can just turn this all the way over here, so that we can get the milk ready. So just to show you guys, demonstrate if it's just doing good job or not, I'm gonna put all the way high. I'm not really good at making art, but you can. And it heats up pretty fast. It has decent heat, and also you can see it has built-in timer for the steam as well, depending how you are using. So right now it is pretty hot. If you want, you can give more texture, but let's just turn it off. So I forgot to get the napkin, but make sure you wipe this before you do anything else. So you can see it has nice texture. You can use your skill to make it even better, but over here you can see it just made really nice delicious coffee, just like that, and looks and tastes delicious. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.